Hi, I'm Hunter Fry, President of Ocean Machinery, and this is the Ocean Clipper Angle Line, built exclusively for us in the USA by Peddinghaus, the most well-known and respected name in steel fabricating machinery.
The Ocean Clipper is by far the most compact and affordable CNC angle line in the steel fabricating industry, and because of the price, even small fabricators are now able to afford a CNC angle line and get a rapid return on their investment. The Ocean Clipper CNC angle line was designed specifically for efficient, automated angle production. It will handle angles up to 6 by 6 by 5/8 inch and will process both short clip angles as well as long bracing angles. And while it was not specifically designed to handle flat bar, most of our clipper owners also use the machine to process flat bar for stiffeners, gussets, shear tabs and fin plates. The clipper is unique amongst all angle lines in that it consists of a hydraulic punch for one leg of the angle and a hydraulic drill spindle on center with the punch for the other leg of the angle. This allows for punching and drilling holes on both legs directly opposite each other without the need for repositioning, which cannot be done on any other CNC angle line utilizing staggered punches for each leg. This in turn creates an exceptionally compact machine, no larger than most ironworkers. A double cut shear automatically cuts the angle to length after punching and drilling the holes. The measuring and positioning system is via a very fast and accurate shuttle clamp system, moving the material through the machine. Programming the clipper is simple and fast, even to operators with minimal computer experience. The operator can import parts detailed in a 3D detailing software suite that exports standard DSTV files, or he can simply program the parts manually into the intuitive PediMat software that is included with the machine.
If anybody's familiar with PediMat, for one, it's very simple software to operate. In fact, I've taught my kids at home to program.
While the trend is to import parts directly from a 3D detailing program, it is still very easy and fast to program parts manually. And since most clips are standard parts, once you have programmed a clip and saved it to the library, it is always there for future use.
The PediMat system is very simple to use, very easy, very quick, and very user-friendly. Things that would take us hours before now take us simply minutes due to the fact that they have added so many shortcuts in here that it cuts out a lot of the hard work.
Once the operator has selected the parts to be processed, he loads the angle onto the in-feed conveyor and moves the end of the angle stock into contact with the stripper. This sets the zero reference and the automated process begins. The shuttle clamp grips and feeds the angle through the machine, stopping the angle precisely in the correct position and sequence to be punched, drilled and sheared to create any combination of clip angles from the stock length. The operator can nest an entire selection of different clips from the stock length, or he can also just produce as little as one part and keep the remaining stock for processing at a later date. When the shuttle carriage runs out of X travel for making parts, the stripper will come down and clamp the material and allow the shuttle to reposition further down along the material and advance the material to the next punch, drill or shear position. For the trailing end of the material, the gripper will reposition to the very end, and the drop is only 8 inches, eliminating the need for a welding station. The clipper is simple enough to run without an operator in attendance. Once the operator has started the process, he can leave the machine and it will continue unattended until the program is complete. This allows the operator to perform other duties while the machine is producing clips. This multitasking of your employees is key to reducing your man-hours per ton. In many of our installations, the same Ocean Avenger or drill line operator loads the clipper and returns to producing beams on the drill line while the clipper makes clips unattended.
Push the stick up against the stop and push the button to start and walk away to the other machine. Comes back, feeds another piece, goes back to the other machine, keeps just switching from one to the other because you can walk away from either one.
The Ocean Clipper will convert a 20-foot stock length of angle into 24 standard 9-inch clips with 3 holes and 3 slots in less than 13 minutes, generally faster than a man can do 1 clip manually. And it does this error-free without an operator in attendance. This is how you dramatically improve your profitability by reducing your man-hours per ton.
We were doing it by hand, doing the layout of the holes, punching the slotted holes, drilling the round holes, or punching either way. Probably 15 minutes. In all reality, to punch 3 and drill 3, 20 seconds max.
The Ocean Clipper produces clip angles with superb accuracy and efficiency, with tolerances less than 1/32 of an inch. And while the clipper is specifically designed for short clip angle production, it will also comfortably and accurately produce long bracing angles with multiple re-gripping of the material.
We run our ledger angle through it too for the buildings, which is 20 foot, which changes from time to time that we do. This machine is very effective for long angle because it has the rollers on it, extends out. There's no handling to punch or anything. You just let it feed through, it cuts it, you move it off the rollers, and you're done. But it saves your back. You're not pushing it through anything. You're not having to handle it. The machine does all the work.
The clipper is CE certified and is manufactured to exceed all known safety standards and ensures worldwide acceptance. The simple operation keeps the operator away from the moving parts, and the light curtains automatically stop the machine in the event that someone walks within the line of safety. The Ocean Clipper takes less than 5 days to install and thoroughly train your operators. The clipper is a very simple and basic machine, and to ensure ease of service, the clipper was designed using off-the-shelf parts and components that are available worldwide, including Siemens, Bosch, Rexroth, Parker, and others. The clipper utilizes the Siemens 840 DI controller, regarded as the world's best PLC controller for this kind of application. The clipper also features remote diagnostic capability, further reducing downtime. Standing behind the clipper is the Peddinghaus Parts and Service Department, which has become the gold standard in the industry for customer support. Parts ordered from Peddinghaus before 5 p.m. Central Standard Time are delivered the next day to most client locations in the USA. For foreign installations, parts will arrive by first available courier, and in many cases, our foreign dealers have local parts on hand.
Yeah, we had the very first clipper. We've had it for 2 years now, and I'm glad we got the first one. It probably, the production, I can't even explain it, the number is phenomenal. It was 90 to 100% increase. Everything is accurate 100% to the length and the gauge of the hole. So I've never had any problems with it not fitting up, ever. And what we've had it for 2 years now.
For more information on the Ocean Clipper or any of our other fine CNC fabricating machinery, please call Ocean Machinery toll-free today at 1-800-286-3624. A complete overview of the features of the Ocean Clipper is available online at www.oceanclipper.com. Please note that we have flexible finance and lease programs for customers with approved credit. Leasing approval normally takes less than 48 hours. You can view our full range of steel fabricating machinery on our comprehensive website, www.oceanmachinery.com.